Good day, guys. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be analyzing the top 3 laser hair removers today. Out of hundreds of versions, an Amazon team of experts has chosen the best laser hair removal systems. They narrowed the list down to Silkn, Imane, and Braun models based on their analysis. Because of its outstanding quality and excellent customer service, Silkn was named the best of the best in the Best Laser Hair Removal Systems category. Because of its overall quality and value, Imane was selected as the best bang for the buck. See the full analysis for pros, cons, and the bottom line on each of the top 3 models. 1. Silkn Infinity. The Silkn Infinity hair removal system employs a technology that uses light pulses to permanently remove unwanted hair growth without leaving behind stubble, ingrown hairs, redness, or other discomfort. The simple and painless at-home system can be used on any skin type and on any part of the body, including the face, thighs, arms, upper lip, and bikini line, leaving you with flawless, silky, and infinitely smooth skin. Silkn Infinity is one of the fastest and most powerful systems for permanently removing hair, thanks to the high-speed repetition of light pulses. The Silkn Infinity is built to help you reduce hair growth over time. This means that if you use it as instructed on a regular basis, you should expect less and less unwanted hairs to grow back, eventually leading to hair-free skin for life. Quartz bulbs allow for faster pulses and reloading. 100 volts to 240 volts dual voltage. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, we don't suggest using this unit. Advantages: treatment that can be done in the comfort of your own home, fast, painless, and clean, no cartridges required, 92% hair growth reduction. Suggestive application: skin should be shaved, clean, and dry. Waxing, plucking, and tweezing are not recommended. Next, use a low-energy standard. Pros: it's a one-of-a-kind device that uses high-speed light pulses to permanently remove unwanted hair. The entire body will benefit from a quick, painless treatment. Designed to reduce hair on a long-term basis. Cons: although several users were happy with their performance, others were dissatisfied with its effectiveness. 2. Imane 500,000 flashes permanent hair removal and upgrade ice compress. To interrupt the cycle of hair regrowth, the laser hair removal kit uses the newest technology in hair removal called Intense Pulsed Light, IPL. Clinical studies have shown that IPL hair removal is safe, efficient, and has no side effects. After only 2 months of therapy, up to 93.7% of women had noticeable results. The built-in ice compress plate for body hair removal keeps the skin surface between 32 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, calming your skin and reducing redness and swelling. Simple to use: simply activate the ice cooling feature to enjoy hair removal and cooling treatment at the same time. It's exactly what you need for a painless and relaxing treatment that will leave you with shiny, hair-free skin that will make your friends envious. Imane permanent laser hair removal has 500,000 flashes, which is enough to remove hair from the entire body of 9 to 11 people. To avoid light leakage and loose touch, it is constructed as a non-removable flash head. Manual and auto flash are also endorsed, with manual flash being used for precision areas such as bikini lines, underarms, chin, and fingers, and auto flash being used for vast areas such as arms, thighs, neck, and back. It would drastically cut down on treatment time. In comparison to other permanent hair removal methods, the ICE IPL hair removal technology ensures full suitability for your delicate skin. The ice cooling feature on this laser hair removal machine allows it to be used for hair removal without causing damage. We have confidence in our home epilators because of the professional manufacturer and strict quality control. Money-back guarantee and return service for 90 days. Please contact us if you have any issues with hair removal. Pros: breaks the hair regrowth cycle gently but efficiently using advanced intense pulsed light technology. An ice compress plate is built in to soothe the skin and minimize swelling. Designed to remove hair from the entire body on multiple users. Cons: some people believe that targeting smaller areas is difficult. 3. Braun IPL hair removal for women Silk Expert Pro 5PL 5137. The IPL that is the safest, easiest, and most effective. In just 4 weeks, you will achieve permanent hair reduction. Money-back guarantee of 100 days. An international skin health organization has clinically tested and dermatologically approved this product as skin-safe. Skin Health Alliance. Smart IPL with Senso Adapte Skin Sensor, UV protection, the only IPL technology that adapts to your skin tone automatically and continuously. The quickest IPL, in less than 5 minutes at the lowest energy level, handle both legs. Silk Expert 5 is 2 times quicker than the previous version. The Venus razor comes with a precision head, a luxury pouch, and a Venus razor. For easy handling and care, a new compact design that is 15% smaller and 25% lighter has been created. 400,000 flashes, a 30% increase. Silk Expert 5. Dermatologist tested, ideal for everyday use, even on sensitive skin. Senso Adapt technology ensures the best IPL. The Senso Adapt TM sensor, with UV protection, continuously reads your skin tone and adjusts the flash intensity for the safest and most efficient permanent visible hair reduction. Technology was shared with Sidon, the IPL's fastest team. 2 times as fast as before. At the lowest energy level, treat both legs in less than 5 minutes. The gliding mode produces more flashes for faster treatment, which is ideal for large body sections, while the stamp mode produces a more detailed treatment, which is ideal for smaller and more delicate areas. On the skin, it's precise and gentle. The precision head makes it easier to work on smaller or more difficult areas like the chest, bikini, and underarms. For beginners handling vulnerable areas, the gentle and extra gentle settings lower the energy level. There were 400,000 flashes in all. There are 10 different degrees of pain. For the equivalent of 22 years of treatment, 400,000 flashes, plus 30% versus previous Silk Expert 5, were used. The 10 levels of intensity ensure that the light intensity is appropriate for your skin tone. IPL is also ideal for men, but not everywhere. Braun Silk Expert Pro can be used by men from the shoulders down, chest, back, arms, stomach, legs. It is not recommended for use on the face, neck, or genital region. Pros: dermatologically approved and clinically validated for skin safety. A one-of-a-kind system that adapts to your skin tone automatically. Treatments are incredibly fast, and the results are almost instantaneous. For easy handling, the design is compact. Cons: for those with lighter hair, as with many laser hair removal products, this isn't as successful. Buying guide for best laser hair removal systems. If you want a smooth, fuzz-free body but don't want to use razors, sticky creams, or painful waxing, laser hair removal, also known as electrolysis, might be the way to go. It is a permanent hair removal solution that can be used on any part of the body, including the face. The disadvantage is that it necessitates multiple, costly salon visits, at least until 2008, when the FDA approved at-home laser systems. These enable you to achieve comparable outcomes to those obtained by a medical professional or technician in the comfort of your own home at a fraction of the cost. Nonetheless, these appliances aren't shins. Diode laser technology is used in lasers, which can be used to concentrate in on small areas. Other appliances employ intense pulsed light, IPL, technology, which allows them to reach wider areas more quickly. We've gathered a variety of both types of devices in a variety of price ranges. Check to see which one fits better for your coloring and skin tone, as results differ. Dr. Rox Anderson, a doctor at Harvard's Mass General Hospital's Wellman Institute, patented laser hair removal. How does laser hair removal work? An electronic wand focuses a focused beam of light on individual hair follicles during a laser hair removal procedure. The pigment in the hair absorbs the light, killing the follicle and slowing hair growth in that region. To fully remove the hair, you must treat the affected areas 2 or 3 times. The hair isn't permanently removed, but the development is delayed to the point that you won't need any further treatments for several months to years. The outcome varies from person to person. Who is a candidate for laser hair removal? There must be a difference between the color of your skin and the color of your hair because the laser or light is absorbed by the pigment in the hair. Those with light skin and dark hair are thus the ideal candidates for laser hair removal. If you have dark skin and dark hair, or light skin and blonde hair, the contrast between the two is normally insufficient for laser hair removal to work. Sex isn't a factor, it works equally well for men and women. Keep in mind that laser hair removal is only effective on specific types of body hair, such as those on the face, legs, arms, underarms, and pubic region. It is not recommended for use on the genitals. Benefits of laser hair removal. There must be a difference between the color of your skin and the color of your hair because the laser or light is absorbed by the pigment in the hair. Those with light skin and dark hair are thus the ideal candidates for laser hair removal. If you have dark skin and dark hair, or light skin and blonde hair, the contrast between the two is normally insufficient for laser hair removal to work. Sex isn't a factor, it works equally well for men and women. Keep in mind that laser hair removal is only effective on specific types of body hair, such as those on the face, legs, arms, underarms, and pubic region. It is not recommended for use on the genitals. Considerations. Sensor on the skin. Using a device can be incredibly painful and potentially damage your skin if your hair and skin tone aren't appropriate for laser hair removal. Since your hair and skin may not all be the same color, you may want to invest in a device with a skin sensor. Cartridges to be replaced. When buying a laser hair removal machine, it's also important to think about whether you'll need to change parts on a regular basis. Many systems make use of light cartridges with a set number of treatments. When they run out, they must be replaced. Laser hair removal system pricing. A laser hair removal device is an expensive investment. In general, they cost between $150 and $450. It's important to note that professional laser hair removal treatments are much more expensive, but it may be worth it if you want to reduce the amount of body hair on a budget. The Silken is $399, Imane is $199.99, and Braun is $303. Check out the links in the video description if you want to permanently remove excess hair growth without leaving behind stubble, ingrown hairs, redness, or other irritation. Please keep in mind that if you make a purchase using our link, we will earn a small commission. It has no impact on the price, but it helps us keep doing what we're doing here. So, if you found this video useful and would like to return the favor, this is a fantastic way to do so, and we appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe until next time.